Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush, and this is their Snow Fairy bath bomb. Pretty cool design. One half is pink with a white snowflake. The other half is white with a blue snowflake. And their Snow Fairy scent is pretty popular. I remember this scent from several years back. They bring it back seasonally, and they've made different products with that scent from what I can remember. I don't get to go to Lush often because I don't live near one, but I did order all of the Christmas bath bombs for this year to do demos of. So this one is 6.3 ounces and it costs $7.95. And I really like the scent of it. I like all their bath bombs, honestly. I think they all smell really good. A lot of them have a lot of sweet scents to it, and for the most part, avoid heavy florals, and those are scents I don't like. So I tend to like their bath bombs and the way they fragrance them. And usually they are pretty active, pretty colorful and vibrant. This one was described as having a plastic-free sparkle, but to me, I'll show it at the very end, zoom in close to it. It's like a pearlescent, I don't even know how to describe it, but you could see it through the water. It did not look like glitter or anything like that. It was just gorgeous. I have seen it before in other bath bombs, but I don't know a good way to describe it. So at the very end, I will just show you zoomed in what it looks like. But with the colors, it did turn the water a very pale pink. Raylan was my bath helper today. She kept sticking her hand in the screenshots. So this is what it looked like when it was done. And here zoomed in, you could kind of see it like floating around on the right-hand side. Just this really pretty pearl stuff going through it. I don't know how to describe it, but I thought it was awesome looking. So I do have a couple more Lush bath bombs. If you're interested, please subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.